In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Store Credit Explained, why it matters for your business. Store credit can be a powerful retention tool. It turns refunds into future purchases, reduces churn, and gives customers a reason to come back. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find your store credit settings and how to read the key reports that help you track credits, usage, and trends. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Analytics, then Reports. At the top, use the search bar and begin typing Store Credit. As the suggestions appear, select the option related to credit. This brings up areas in Shopify where credit information lives, and it's the quickest way to navigate without manually digging through menus. From those results, open your customer account settings. This takes you straight to the store credit section within customer accounts. Here, you can review how credits are presented to customers and confirm you're in the right place to manage the experience. It's a good moment to align your internal process, who on your team issues credit, when it's used instead of refunds, and how you communicate balances to customers. Next, use the page search again to find Store Credit Transactions and open that report. Set the date range to last 7 days so you can get a tight snapshot of recent activity. Make sure the Store Credit Event column is visible. This tells you whether a credit was issued, redeemed, or expired. If you need more clarity, sort or filter by event to group similar actions together. Reconfirm the last 7 days view after any changes so your numbers stay consistent. Now, return to the main reports area. In the search bar, type Store to surface additional credit-related reports. Choose the Outstanding Store Credit Balance report. This report focuses on your ending store credit balance over time, typically visualized as a line chart. It's your high-level gauge. Are credits accumulating, holding steady, or being redeemed regularly? As you review the chart and totals, interpret them with your goals in mind. A rising balance can indicate generous issuance or slower redemption. A steady or gently declining line suggests customers are actively using the credit you've granted. Look for spikes that coincide with returns or promotions, and consider whether your messaging encourages timely redemption. That's the full path. Use Analytics and the search bar to jump into customer accounts and the store credit section. Analyze store credit transactions for recent activity and event types, then pivot to the Outstanding Store Credit Balance report to understand the bigger picture. With these views, you'll see not just what's happening with credits, but why it matters, helping you refine policies, improve customer experience,